1980 marked the start of the Iraq-Iran War. Prior to the outbreak of hostilities, the Iraqi regime had exiled thousands of Iraqi citizens on the charges that they were of Persian ancestry. Many Assyrians were made victims of this illegal and barbarous act, forced away from their homes and families. During the war itself, it is estimated that up to 10,000 Assyrian men from Iraq were killed. The remaining Assyrians in Iraq were forced to fight for a regime that persecuted them, and many were ultimately killed in cold blood at the hands of their own Arab countrymen, simply because of their ethnicity. Eyewitnesses have testified to this betrayal. At the time Assyrians were suffering in Iran, thousands became prisoners of war, and those that had been exiled from Iraq were living in refuge camps. The number of civilian Assyrians casualties in Iraq until this day have been unknown.